Bernoulli's principle. Now, this comes in fluid mechanics basically. Suppose you have a pipe, okay, and water is flowing through the pipe. Water can flow or any liquid can flow. And Bernoulli's principle basically is a principle of energy conservation. It is basically a principle of energy conservation. It only states that the total energy here is equal to the total energy here. So let us say the area here is A1, here it is A2, the pressure is P1, and let us say it is P2. Okay, so we have to find in a moving liquid. Suppose if I take this as the reference line, let us say this is at a height of y1 and this is at a height of y2 from the reference line. So as you know that the total energy is basically the sum of kinetic plus potential energy. Okay, so what is the work done? Work done basically is the energy gained, which is because of the flow of the liquid and as well as the potential energy in it. So total work done will be equal to U plus K. So how do I get work? It is a difference of pressure multiplied with the volume is equal to potential energy. Potential energy is mg, gain in potential energy and gain in kinetic energy, drop in potential energy and gain in kinetic energy, or vice versa. Half m, let us say the velocity here is v2 square minus v1 square. So here we can write this expression as P1 minus P2 into V. So this mass, see, we also can follow this mass conservation. We can follow mass conservation here because the amount of mass entering here and the amount of mass which is coming out is same only. So we can write here, let us say this liquid is incompressible. So rho into V, rho into volume into G into Y2 minus Y1 plus half rho into V, V2 square minus V1 square. And cancel out the common terms here, V. So what are we getting? We are getting P1 minus P1 minus P2 is equal to rho G Y1 rho G Y2 plus half rho V2 square minus half rho V1 square. So arranging the terms, we get basically P1 plus half rho V1 square plus rho Gy1 is equal to P2 plus half rho V2 square plus rho Gy2. In short, it is P plus half rho V square plus rho Gy is equal to constant. Okay, so it's a combination of, this is the potential energy part, this is the kinetic energy part, and this is the pressure in the liquid. Now that moving liquid will have some pressure in it. Okay, so sometimes it is mentioned in terms of head of water. Okay, so it is a basically pressure head plus kinetic head plus datum head. The potential energy part is called as datum head is equal to constant. Okay, and also notice that while calculating the kinetic energy, we are calculating kinetic energy like this: half mv square by volume. What is this? Rho, mass by volume. So we calculate per unit volume. This is not like solid. In solid you write half mv square, but here you have to write half rho v square because this is a liquid. This is applicable for liquid as well as gas. If you like the channel, please subscribe it. Daily you'll get a notification. Daily some concepts will be uploaded. Thank you.